My name is Fenil Parekh and I am a senior UX designer. UX designing is designing websites and mobile apps, and I've been doing that for 10 plus years now. I work for a HR startup and where I lead the design team, and then we work on back-end workflows for the application. What I do is I work with the back-end website design where you actually interact to do. So let's say if you work for a HR company and you are a recruiter, then you can use our back-end platform. So I actually design where the recruiter goes through different screens. I work with a hybrid team. So our team is also in India. I work with a team of 5 people. We have a 2 UI designer and 2 UX designer. My team is very diverse and very collaborative. We are always online and do some team activities remotely as well. I start my day at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I start with a team huddle where we actually prioritize the workflow for today. My work is flexible and I work in a hybrid setting. At 12 o'clock I go for the lunch, and then usually I'm done by 5. And after 5 I go out for the gym or go out for hiking. I like going out, I like experiencing nature, so I'm always up for a hike. And I play billiards. I've been playing that for 12 years now. And I also play competitively. The longest I have played is 16 hours straight in a row. And then in that 16 hours, I have gone through a lot of pressure, a lot of strategy. So I personally feel that it actually teaches me a lot of things for my life as well. I think since childhood, I was into technology, being curious what goes after it. And I was thinking how it's changing the world. I always used to tell my dad that your business is a brick and mortar, which has to be you have to go there every day, whereas my business is something which runs 24 hours and all across the world. Learning all this new technology, how it's evolving and how it's helping human evolution faster, which kind of interests me. I was born in Gujarat, in India. When we moved to the town, and that's where I got into computers. So in my 3rd grade, I got the computer, and I was very curious to understand about how a computer works. And after a few years, I found out about the internet. I started exploring online and learning different things. So that's where it started my passion for technologies. And I was a part of this online social media called Orkut. And there were a lot of teams, and all the people are from around the world. I made some good friends. And from those friends, we went into programming and learning different coding languages and then creating web pages. I was into website designing and then website development, and then I found out about UX and UI designing, which actually sparked it because of the psychology involved in it. So based on that inspiration, I decided to get into UI UX. I did my bachelor's in information technology, and then I moved to United States for my master's in computer science. I did my computer science here, and after finishing computer science, I started working as a web designer. After 2 years, I got into website development. Since I design it and now how to develop it, so I learned about backend. And while learning backend technology, my challenge was keeping up to date with the different programming languages. And these programming languages are coming often, like every few years. I'm always following new trends online on LinkedIn. And then I also do self-study courses. I'm also a researcher, so I'm always researching about different applications online and understanding reverse engineering and understanding those platforms. There's always new trends coming up. Now it's the time of AR and VR. It keeps me motivated to learn more about those, and I always want to stay up to date with those technologies. To be a successful UI UX designer, you need to learn about how the user thinks and user research. There is this psychology that if you make certain things hard for a user, they will actually not do it. So there are certain techniques that we follow based on the business objective, which actually helps understand the user behavior, which is a part of psychology. In the future, I see myself as a UX consultant, help different startups with their product. My advice to the new UI UX designer would be stay curious and don't hesitate to experiment different things and fail, because the faster you fail, the faster you can come to some conclusion.